Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable LED when receive notification on Samsung Galaxy A15. Simply go on Play Store, install this application Edge Lightning LED border light. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Tap on next, get started, allow the permissions, tap on OK. Simply tap on this toggle to allow the Edge Lightning appear on top. Now go back. Simply tap on Edge Lightning. Here you get 2 colors, 3 colors and single colors. For example, I am selecting 3 colors and here you get color palette. I am selecting this one. Now if you scroll down, here you get border type. For example, if I select this one, as you can see, dotted border is showing. And if I select this one, hard border is showing. I will simply select the default border. Here you get the some styles, you can customize it like animation, speed, border size, radius, bottom. I will simply enable the notch. As you can see, notch is not coming on the right direction. So I will simply customize it by doing like this. Now you can see my notch is on right direction. So this is how you can customize this. Now if you go back, here are some other options. Make sure enable this show when notification arrive. Scroll down, tap on the selected apps, select the application you want to show their notification of Edge Lightning. So I will simply selecting Facebook. Now go back. Here you get notification duration. You can simply change it to 5 seconds to 10 seconds. Save it. So this is how you can enable LED when receives notification on Samsung Galaxy A15. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.